Alright, so that's the image I have chosen, and I'm not going to mirror my image. Send it to the printer, I'm sorry. Okay. If you see here, Cricut will actually tell you how to place the image on the mat so that you can cut it, being that we're using the print and cut method. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, then we take it over to our machine. Insert our mat. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Give me 1 second. Okay, and then it's going to let us know it's time to cut. Now it's going to scan our image, so it will pick up exactly where we need it to cut. Place your images exactly where you want them to go. So I think I'm going to place her here, her here. I'm going to add this genie bottle here, and I'm going to add her name there. I'm just going to trim this a little bit. Like so, okay? Alright guys, so this is it. If you guys would like a more detailed video, please let me know. This was the last video, a last minute video I decided to do because I want to start picking up the camera a little more often, but I'll have better videos where I don't just do a last minute video. But this is the apron, and you can use any character, boy, girl, birthday, anything you would like, okay? It's super cute. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. To the next one.